Hello, welcome. My name is Ian Franzen. I'm a website developer and I've been doing website design since 2013. I'll give you a little bit more background, but first let me just introduce the series here. So this is the first video in an 8-part series about how to manage a website. And I'm going to show you using the WordPress system. And underneath WordPress, or on top of WordPress, there's a theme that I work with called Divi, D-I-V-I, Divi. So this series is going to be an introduction to Divi, how to use Divi to manage and update your website. Just a little bit about my professional background. So I've been doing website design since 2013 when I started my own business, College Web Pro. I still run that business, and I also work for a major university in the Boston area. I live here with my wife and 2 kids. I also did a IT support professional certificate through Google in 2021. And I love doing website design. I love teaching people how to do website design. A lot of people say, oh, I could never manage a website. I'm, not very tech savvy. I'm maybe a little bit intimidated about, getting my hands dirty with website design, and I'm not really, I don't want to break anything, but I'm here to tell you that it's easier than you think. If you can send an email, or um, if you can update a Word document, then you can update your website, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Um, Within website development, there's lots of different systems for managing websites. They're actually called CMS, or content management systems. Um, and there's several of them like Joomla, Drupal. Um, WordPress is very, very widely used. That's one of the most widely used content management systems. It was originally created in 2003 as a blogging tool, and since then it's been adapted, and now you can run almost any kind of website using WordPress. So even more complicated websites like shopping websites, there's all kinds of different websites you can run with WordPress, because there's so much functionality there. Um, there's so many different kinds of plugins, and we'll get into that. Um, so I highly recommend working with WordPress. And this video series is going to be specifically focused on WordPress. So if you have a different kind of website, it may not make sense for you to watch this. Um, so one feature that WordPress has is there's many different themes that you can put on top of WordPress that usually change the appearance of the website and also change the functionality of the website. The website builder will be slightly different depending on which theme that you use. You can use WordPress straight out of the box. It usually comes with a couple of themes. Um, the theme that I normally work with is a premium theme that I've already purchased called Divi. Um, Divi is a great theme to work with. It's made by a company called Elegant Themes. It's a theme that I'm very familiar with. So your site is still WordPress, but on top of WordPress, there's this theme called Divi. Um, Divi receives regular updates. It's very search engine friendly. It's also very, very customizable. So you can edit almost any part of the website. It's not like a set template that you're locked into. You can change, almost anything that you want about the website on Divi, like let's say the navigational menu, or let's say the colors, or the fonts, or the layout. There's almost no limit to what you can do with Divi. There's just a ton of features, and this video series is not meant to be exhaustive. It's only just an introduction. So I'm going to walk you through Divi using a sample website. So that's a little bit about what this video series is, who I am, and a little bit about WordPress and Divi. There's a lot more to get into, but yeah. So in this video, let's just transition here to the other screen. So in this first video, I'm just going to show you how to um, log in to the back end of WordPress. So if you've never done it before, it's not too complicated. So I'm going to put this on here. So you're going to go to the website itself. So in this example video, I'm just going to be using this example website, but you'll want to replace this with whatever your domain name is. So it might be .com, .net, or whatever your TLD, your top level domain is. That's this last part here. So you're going to want to go to your website, um, and then you should see, like, it might be your actual website if it's published. or it might have like a maintenance mode screen like this, um, and just say coming soon. And then you're going to go back to the URL bar here, and you're going to go slash wp dash admin slash wp dash admin slash, and go to that. And then it'll prompt you for the username and password for the website. You can also use your email address. You might not have registered. It might not take your email. So if it doesn't, don't get frustrated. Just let me know, and I can reset your password for you. If you might have it already in your email, um, or you might need me to reset it, and I'm happy to do that for you. So I'm just going to log in with the credentials that I set up. So I'm going to use my email and put in my password, click on Remember Me, and then log in. And then this is the dashboard of WordPress. This is what it looks like. Um, there's lots of different options here. We're going to get into some of these. You don't need to worry about a lot of these. So, don't get overwhelmed. You'll notice one other interesting thing now. So if you open up a new tab and you go to the website, you'll see the website now. If there's a website, you'll see the site, because if you're logged in, it won't show you the maintenance mode screen. It'll say, oh, we recognize you're an administrator of the site, you're logged in, and it'll show you the draft of the site, even if it's not published yet. So this is not what everyone sees. They don't see this black bar. They might not see the website if it's not published yet. Yeah, I hope the video is helpful. I'll see you in the next video. We're going to go into adding text, images, and saving your changes to the website. So I really hope the video was helpful. Let me know if you need anything, and I'll see you next time. Bye.